We're out here in the Yarra Junction and we've just rented some mountain bikes from Ride Time Bikes as we're going to the new Warburton Bike Park. Today's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get out there and do it. So Lewis and I have just hopped on the Lilydale to Warburton Rail Trail, making our way towards the Warburton Bike Park. I'm so stoked to be out here right now. This is going to be a lot of fun. This is such a good day to be doing this. Nothing to complain about today, guys. How good is this? Look at that guy's barn. That's a setup. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this peaceful bike ride. This is the start to a very exciting day. I'll see you at the trails. Okay, what a start. And we've only just got here. I think this is well deserved. Let's get into it. Excellent. That's us. Golly! Barefoot wizard. It was definitely recommended that we use the electric bikes. We thought we'd give it a try with the standard hardtails first. Looks like it would be a lot of fun with an electric bike. I'll put the drone up to see if we can see anything from above and to give you an idea of where we're at on this gorgeous day. Just gonna play around with the drone for a bit longer because our legs are exhausted from that uphill we just had to do. Let's put the drone in follow mode and get to follow Lewis around.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
That is so sick. That is crazy. You don't even have to do anything. Off he goes. That is so cool. We definitely have to do that on the trails. Decisions have been made. We're going to kick off the trail by starting the Westburn Shorty. Lead the way, big fella. I really need a GoPro, or like a chest mounted GoPro, because I'm going to have to keep pulling my camera out or my drone to film parts on this trail. But don't worry, I'll get some good shots of us biking through and hopefully some solid drone shots. Does it not say? Westburn link. This must be us, bro. Oh hell, who's bringing their horse down here? Time to tuck away the camera. I can't wait to get into this trail. Hopefully I can showcase how cool this place is. Update. We are gassed and we're just trying to make it up the first trail. I can definitely understand why electric was recommended. We've just been biking uphill. At least that means it's going to be a good downhill bit. I've not biked in a very long time, but hey, it's a beautiful day. Electric. True. You don't reckon? Maybe this vlog is just going to be me updating you on how sweaty and sore we are. Everyone's just going past us on the electric bikes and it totally makes sense. Some man did say we're using real power, so I'll take it. Anyway, let's get back into it. I'm just trying to showcase some of what we've had to climb. We've been climbing this whole time. It's pretty hard because there's so many turns and we still got to keep going. Up. It is pretty torturous, but I'm not really complaining because I'm still having a great time. Because we're going up, that means we have to go down. And hopefully I can get the drone to follow us when we're going down the hill. It's a sign. Please. We've got to be close to a downhill. Oh, there's people coming.
How you fellas doing?
Oh yeah, not too bad. How are you?
Lots of uphill, lots of fun.
We have not seen any snakes yet, so that's a good sign. The Instagram did warn to watch out for snakes and to bring some snake bandages, which we do not have, so hopefully we don't encounter any snakes. Although I'm yet to see my very first wild snake. I do want to see one, but I also don't. It's looking relatively flat up ahead. I'm going to get the drone out and put it in follow mode. Hopefully it follows me well and does not hit any trees.
Maybe I just want to see you. I'll go anywhere if you be there. It feels like I can fly. Think I'm gonna break the ceiling. I just wanna keep this feeling. You can take me.
Wow, what a good time to pull out the drone. That was so cool. The drone did get stuck a few times, which you will see. I wasn't sure how well it was going to keep up. I did have to keep looking back. I reckon for some of that we got some pretty good shots. We got some good speed going down there. I would love to have been able to go like a lot faster, but wanted the drone to be able to keep up. It kind of kept up, then would go back, drop behind for a bit, then it would catch up. I cannot wait to see how that turned out. Got the green light that we got some downhill up ahead, so the drone's coming back out. Let's do this. Oh no! Apparently the drone smoked a tree. Is there any damage on it? Did you watch it just completely doink the tree?
I like tried to keep up and just like it swung wide.
Oh
And it was
no.
like way down.
Oh man, I hope I didn't damage that. I can't wait to watch that footage back. You guys would have just seen it, but screw it, play it again. No. You know what, I might just enjoy the rest of the downhill and not film it. Then I'll check the drone at the bottom or a little bit further down to see if it's all good. Because I think we got some people coming, so I'll follow you. Whoa, that downhill was insane. Holy crap. That was so good. I really wish I could have filmed that. That was so fun. It was just jump after jump and you get such high speeds going down there. The drone definitely would have not been able to keep up. That was epic. Wow.
Oh, this is weird.
Yeah, look at that guy, he's getting towed behind. That's sick. I'm exhausted because I was holding on for dear life. Like, that was wicked. Definitely need a GoPro. That was so fun. That was so worth it. That was so good. What a beautiful day for it. My quads are burning from the uphill. Now my hands from holding on for my dear life. And we've successfully made it back down to the bottom. What a journey. What a ride. Wow. My quads are on fire.
Kind of following you, then it swung out and just
Right.
went straight into the tree.
Hope my drone's okay. It doesn't look like there's any big dings on it.
It was like that.
On the ground like that.
Yeah.
Oh, I really hope it's okay.
Power off in 5 seconds.
I'll put it up shortly. Whew. Once I catch my breath, wow. I didn't film much of us coming up here, but if the drone's alright, I'll get it to follow us down on the rail trail, because that was really nice. This is going to be me checking out the footage of my drone crashing. Lewis got to see it, but I didn't. And then afterwards I'll see if the drone's still all good. Oh no, there's a 20-second video here. It'll be funny if the drone's okay. I just gapped it. Oh no, it stopped. Right as it hit the tree. It didn't even get me going down the hill at all. Oh, I was hoping there was going to be like footage of it like hitting the tree and then like tumbling on the ground. Let me test to see if the drone's all good. Seems okay. Okay, I think it's good. I think this is us tapping out of the Warburton Bike Park. That uphill was way harder than I thought it was going to be. I didn't even realise how big the uphill was going to be. Definitely got to come back here and have to get my own mountain bike. Haven't been mountain biking in years. Legs definitely were not used to that. Plus we've barely had any food today, so let's bike down the hill and get some food. How's the legs? Got a stretch? Oh yeah, bud. Same dude, my butt. These buns have been toasted. Talk about a beautiful day though. At least we can just enjoy these downhills and flat roads now. That is such a sick view. I better put the camera away before I break this as well as the drone. I think there's a shop just down the road and around the corner, so see you there. What drink did you get? Oh. Check out the spot we just pulled up to get a quick feed. This is a segment called Rate My Lemonade, where I rate my lemonade. That lemonade is bananas. I'm so exhausted, wow. Oh yeah, we're on now boys. I've used so much energy and I'm so sweaty and gross right now. Is it hot? Let's go. Brilliant. Oh man, that is exhausting. We're back to where we started. That was so much fun. What an adventure. Couldn't have picked a better day to do it, honestly. A GoPro was definitely needed when biking on the trails. I couldn't get that much footage, otherwise I would have had to hold the camera with one hand biking up the hill or downhill. That was not going to work. Tried the drone, we went a bit too fast for it. There were too many corners and turns. I think before we get a GoPro, I should probably get my own bike instead. Time to return the bikes. You tuned into today's adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.